Welcome to Geneva, and thank you for visiting Lexus. We are pleased to reveal two highly emotional cars this year. Our latest performance flagship, the RCF Track Edition, and the Lexus LC convertible concept. This is an exciting time for Lexus across Europe. We just achieved our 5th consecutive record year of sales growth, reaching over 76,000 vehicles. In the last 5 years, Lexus sales have increased by 75% here in Europe. The majority of our sales, up to 95% in Western and Central Europe, are hybrids. And with nearly 1.5 million hybrid sales worldwide, Lexus leads the electrification trend with our lineup of self-charging hybrid vehicles, which today are the most affordable and pragmatic alternative for consumers leaving diesel. Lexus self-charging hybrids provides up to 50% zero-emission driving without any need to plug and recharge. Lexus was born in 1989 and was built on providing innovative vehicles and the highest level of personalized guest experience. This year, we celebrate our 30th anniversary, but there is no time for us to sit back and relax. Exciting new models, such as the 7th generation ES and our first compact crossover, the all-new Lexus UX, have just arrived at our retailers. This will help us to take another big step forward on our way to selling 100,000 Lexus vehicles in Europe in 2020.